Hey there, food lovers! Today we're making the easiest, fluffiest, and healthiest cottage cheese high-protein pancakes, perfect for weight loss and meal prep. These pancakes are packed with protein, fiber, and natural sweetness. No refined sugar needed. Plus, they're super quick to make. Let's jump right in. Alright, let's talk about our first ingredient, oat flour. If you don't have oat flour, no worries. You can make your own by blending oats in a food processor or high-powered blender. For me, I'm going to use my small coffee grinder. It's quick and does the job perfectly. Now, in a mixing bowl, let's add 1 medium banana mashed with a fork till nice and mushy. This adds natural sweetness and makes the pancakes soft and delicious. 1 egg for that perfect fluffiness. 1/2 cup of low-fat cottage cheese. Trust me, it makes these pancakes super creamy and packed. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic pancake taste. Now mix the wet ingredients together, then add 1/2 cup of oat flour. This gives us that hearty texture and fiber to keep you full with protein. 1 teaspoon of baking powder to make them rise. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon for a cozy, warm flavor, and mix everything together until well combined. If the batter is too thick, add a splash of almond milk or any milk you love to thin it out. Now grab a spatula and mix everything together until well combined. If you prefer a smoother batter, you can use a blender, but today I'm keeping it simple with just a bowl and spatula. Time to cook. Heat up a non-stick skillet over low to medium heat and spray with a little oil. Pour the batter in and use the back of a spoon to spread it evenly. Once you see those bubbles forming and the bottom looks golden, it's flipping time. Carefully flip and cook the other side until golden brown. Repeat until all the batter is gone. You should get 4 to 5 beautiful golden pancakes. Now for the fun part, toppings. Add 1 ounce of yogurt. You can add a drizzle of maple syrup, a spoonful of nut butter, or fresh fruit for an extra burst of flavor. If you're meal prepping, just pack them into containers and store them in the fridge for up to 5 days. Easy, healthy breakfast ready to go. And there you have it, delicious high-protein pancakes that will keep you full and energized. If you love easy, healthy recipes, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what toppings you'd add. See you next time for more tasty, healthy eats.